Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your POCO X8 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and toggle Bluetooth off and on in these settings. So as you guys can see, I got my Bluetooth right here. What are we gonna do is we're gonna turn this off and turn it on again. So this is a quick restart. Now, what we're gonna do is if you've got your device paired already, then you will simply forget it. But if you don't, then I'll show you how to pair it. First, we're gonna look for available devices. Now click refresh and make sure that your device is in pairing mode. So every device enters pairing mode differently, so you need to find the way to actually pair yours. As you guys can see, I am pairing my headphones and now they are connected. But if yours are not connecting and they are still saved, simply click on the arrow right here and click on pair. As you guys can see, now they're gone and they will disappear from available devices soon. And after they disappear, we will be able to pair them again. So let me quickly try and speed up the process. We're gonna go and here we got it. Now let's click pair. And as you guys can see, we are back and connected. If it's not working for you, then you need to restart the phone and a Bluetooth device. So to restart, let's say AirPods for an example, all I do is close and open up the case. You guys can also try resetting them, but I don't think it's really worth it. So to restart the phone, you simply press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Do not hold it and swipe down to reboot. Now the phone is rebooting, and for the AirPods, all I had to do was simply close my case. So I'll see you guys in a second once the phone turns back on. Now after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is simply update your software. So we're gonna open up the settings, and here in the settings, we're gonna go to About Phone, tap in Xiaomi HyperOS, and now we're waiting. So I got no updates available, but if you do, then I recommend y'all updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version so you don't have any old glitches running around on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.